Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a strong investment portfolio with Robinhood step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from your app store. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Familiarize yourself with the home screen and its features. Start by assessing your financial goals. Determine your investment timeline. Consider your risk tolerance. Explore different asset classes like stocks, ETFs, and options. Research potential investments based on your interests. Use the search feature to find specific stocks or funds. Review their performance history and key metrics. Look for companies with strong fundamentals. Analyze their earnings, revenue growth, and market trends. Diversify your portfolio by considering multiple sectors. Aim for a balance between high-risk and low-risk investments. Once you've made your selections, decide how much to invest. Enter the amount for each investment in your portfolio. Review transaction fees associated with your trades. Confirm your orders to execute the trades. Monitor your portfolio regularly for any major fluctuations. Stay updated on market news and changes in your investments. Be prepared to adjust your portfolio as needed. Consider using Robinhood's customizable alerts for price changes. Set realistic expectations about your investment growth. Review your portfolio performance periodically. Reassess your financial goals and investment strategy over time. Stay educated by reading articles and watching financial content. Engage with the Robinhood community for tips and insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.